didn't finish my homework.
What is it? For science class, you'll need to keep a scientific journal. I can use my garden as an example.
Thanks, Mr. Ritz.
And the goat said, "Not yet, Mr. Tree. You still need more time." And so Billy the goat learned to be patient. The end.
Thanks for reading me a bedtime story, Mr. Ritz.
Anytime, Leslie. Good night.
Wait, before you go,
What is it?
I didn't finish my homework.
Uh-oh, why not?
Mr. Ritz, I'm so worried. I started a gardening class and I've been asked to keep a daily journal. What goes in a journal? What even is a journal? I don't know what to do.
Oh, I see. Let's take a deep breath together. Ready? In and out.
Thank you, Mr. Ritz. That helped.
Let's start with the basics. A journal is a notebook where you write your thoughts down and all your observations. You can write about events, ideas, feelings, thoughts, or even memories.
Oh, okay.
I'll give you an example. This is my daily journal. I write in it every night before I go to bed. It's sort of like my own bedtime story. I'm going to write, "Tonight I read Leslie a bedtime story and explained what a journal is." Here, I think this one is just your size.
Ooh, thank you, Mr. Ritz.
Leslie, sometimes people feel better going to sleep if they write down their worries in their journal first.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll write down that I'm worried about completing my journal for class. I hope this works.
All right, I'll leave it to you. Good night, Leslie.
Good night, Mr. Ritz. Could you leave the light on for me?
Of course. Good night.
Good morning.
Hello there, Leslie. How did you sleep?
Great. Writing my thoughts down in my daily journal really helped.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that.
Can you help me catch up with my homework now? I need to start my science journal before class.
Absolutely. Let me get my scientist outfit on. Ah, that's better. Now, do you remember what a journal is?
Yes, it's a book where I write down my daily thoughts and feelings before bed.
Correct. That's a daily journal. For science class, you'll need to keep a scientific journal.
What's the difference?
Your scientific journal should be about one specific science topic. Each day you should write down all of your original research, daily observations, changes in your experiments, vocabulary, reflections, and key learnings.
I kind of get it. Can you give me an example?
Great idea! I can use my garden as an example. Every day when I walk into my garden, first I wonder, do all my plants look like they're doing well? Is there one section or one plant that's struggling? Next, I investigate. I give an overall look to see the condition of all my plants. I would then record this overview in my science journal. All plants look healthy. Next, I make sure the timers are on and working. All timers are working properly. Then I check the water levels. I record the water levels from each tower garden in my journal along with the date and time. Then I add water where needed and record the water levels again. Next, I add the nutrients and check the pH. Should I record those findings too?
Yeah.
Exactly! Of course I should! Lastly, I get out my plant growth chart and document the height of the plants. I also check my plants for bugs.
Let me know if you find any juicy aphids.
Will do, Leslie. I've got your back. Sometimes I'll draw a picture of a new bug I find, or patterns I see on the leaves, or take pictures. I'm going to take a photo on my iPhone as well, in case I need to write a report on my computer. Over time, if I keep investigating, All of those observations and reflections will help me learn about my tower garden and teach me how to grow things better.
Okay, I think I got it now, Mr. Ritz. Is there anything else I need to know?
Yeah, sure. I can give you some more journal writing tips. Make sure you write with purpose. Your intent should be clear. What is your experiment? What is your hypothesis? What questions are you hoping to answer? Next, focus on the content. Include specific facts, data, thoughts, and drawings to showcase what you have learned. Write with clarity. Always use correct grammar and spelling so your teachers and peers can review your journal and learn just what you did. Write in your own voice. Be expressive, engaging, and honest. And of course, always show effort. Write details and always make sure it's your best work.
Those are great tips, Mr. Ritz. I wrote them down in my science journal so I can remember to look back at them later while I'm writing.
Great job, Leslie. Are you ready for class?
Yeah, this journal is going to help me learn so much. Thanks, Mr. Ritz.
You're welcome. Well, I hope Leslie gets a good grade on her science journal, and I hope you picked up some great tips too. See you next time, students.